Unveiling the concept of earthly paradise. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the beautiful and often poetic phrase, earthly paradise. This term conjures images of utmost happiness and exquisite beauty, resembling the idea of paradise, but here on earth. Join us as we delve into the depths of this expression, uncovering its meanings, origins, and how it's used in language today. The phrase, earthly paradise, combines two powerful words. Earthly, meaning something related to the earth or life on this planet, and paradise, a term often associated with a place of exceptional happiness and delight, sometimes heavenly. Therefore, earthly paradise refers to a place or situation on earth that offers immense joy and peace, akin to the idealistic views of heaven. The concept of an earthly paradise has roots in various cultures and religions, often depicted as a garden of bliss and contentment. Historical texts and myths reference lands of abundance and happiness, untouched by the woes of the human world. Over time, this concept has evolved, shaping literature, art, and the way people describe extraordinary beauty and happiness in our world. In contemporary language, earthly paradise is used metaphorically to describe places or experiences that are profoundly satisfying or beautiful. It might refer to a stunning natural landscape, a peaceful and thriving community, or a personal situation where one feels complete contentment. It's a powerful expression that captures the essence of the best experiences life has to offer. Earthly paradise has been used by poets, writers, and orators to evoke imagery of the most sublime and idyllic conditions. From William Blake's poems to modern travel literature describing exotic destinations, the term serves as a bridge between the mundane and the magnificent, inviting readers and listeners to imagine and aspire to their version of utmost happiness and peace. In our journey through the concept of earthly paradise, we've seen how this evocative phrase captures the human longing for ultimate joy and beauty here on earth. It's a testament to our ability to envision and, sometimes, create spaces and experiences that reflect our highest ideals. We hope this exploration has been enlightening and that it brings a bit of paradise into your day. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.